Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course in today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to turn off Siri for your device here. That's an iPad. This will work for any iPad. So in case you do not want a digital assistant and it's on, this is how you actually go about turning it off. So this tutorial assumes that you have already set it up and of course it's working, but you do not want to use the digital assistant and you don't want it on. Alright, so to turn it off, you're going to go to settings. So once you're in settings, you might be at the top of the list as seen here. So go ahead and scroll down. So once you scroll down, search for Siri. You're going to tap on Siri and you're going to see a bunch of options here. All right. So mine is set up. All right. So to turn it off, you're going to go to talk to Siri. All right. All right. So from here, guys, you should see this screen. Now here it says talk to. So you're going to set this to off. So once you set that to off, all right, it says here, press the button for Siri. So you're going to turn that off as well. And here it says turn off Siri. The information Siri uses to respond to your request will be removed from the Apple servers. If you want to use Siri, later it takes some time to resend the information. So you're going to hit turn off and that's it. So Apple is going to delete the information supposedly from their servers. And of course, it's now off. So if you go back, and I can try it out. Let me go to the desktop. Hey Siri. Siri. See, it's now off. All right, so if you go into settings, you'll see that it's actually off. You don't see any language. You see some settings, but they're off. All right, so if you were to re-enable this, for example, turn this back on and turn this one back on, it will turn it back on. However, you'd have to go back through the setup process and all of the stored information that you had before, you have to re-enter it, such as getting used to your voice. All right, so that's how you turn off Siri on the iPad, just in case you need to turn it off. And please note that all related features, such as if you have a pair of earpods, all translation features will stop functioning, or anything that relies directly on the AI. All right, so other features as well. So keep that in mind. So that's how to turn it off. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.